How to add another account on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. If you have been logged in into any of the account, then click on your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and then click on Logout. Once again, tap on Logout. Once you have been logged out from one of your account, then you have to click on Use Another Profile. Now simply enter any of the mobile number or email address of the account that you want to log in. Once you have entered, also enter the password and then click on Login. After that, another account will also be added to your Facebook and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.